Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. And to begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely disassemble the laptop and prevent any static damage to the components. Start by powering off the Asus UX530U and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located around the perimeter. Be sure to keep track of the screws, as they can vary in size. Use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips. Once the back cover is removed, locate the charging connector. It is typically situated near the battery. Carefully disconnect the battery by unscrewing the screws, holding it in place. If you find the charging connector is broken, you will need to desolder it from the motherboard. This requires a soldering iron and some soldering skills. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. After replacing the charging connector, it's time to address the GPU issue. Look for the heatsink attached to the GPU. If it appears loose, this could be the reason for overheating. Carefully unscrew the heatsink and inspect the thermal paste. If it's dried out or insufficient, clean the old paste using isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Apply a new layer of thermal paste to ensure proper heat transfer. Attach the heatsink securely, ensuring that it is firmly in place. This is crucial for maintaining optimal GPU temperatures. If you're unsure about any of these steps, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop repaired without the hassle of travel. Once everything is reassembled, reconnect the battery and replace the back cover. Screw it back into place, ensuring all screws are tightened properly. Before powering on the laptop, double-check that all connections are secure and that no tools are left inside the device. Finally, power on the Asus UX530U and monitor the charging and GPU temperatures. If you notice any persistent issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our services are designed to make your life easier, with no calls and no travel required. You can have peace of mind knowing your laptop is in good hands. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.